Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you that my Windows Explorer is not opening and it's showing this error: Explorer.exe system cell failed. So we will try and fix this error, and for that we will go to task manager. After coming here, we will go to processes, and here we will locate Windows Explorer and click on restart and hope that our Windows Explorer problem gets solved. So let's try it. Try to open it again, and here, as you can see, now it's opening. So follow for more.